I'm Eric Mattei from matteirealty.ca. Welcome to the city above Toronto and a house that rises above the competition. You're going to want to see this one, 55 Grampian Avenue. This home's been updated from the outside in. You've got an updated garage thermal door, updated thermal windows, as well the shingles have been done, and there's landscaping both in front and behind the home. Fantastic curb appeal. Detached homes should be complemented by some property, and you have that here. You've got a premium backyard that's fenced in for privacy. You've got an interlock patio at the rear as well. There's a large storage shed back here. Everything you'd want in a residential home. Welcome home. The upgrades that are numerous throughout this home, both inside and out, are fantastic on its interior as well. This is true pride of ownership. You can easily delineate when a house was renovated for the owner rather than for an investment, and that's the case here. I'd like to show you some of the details of those upgrades and renovations. The foyer is a welcoming entrance to the home. It's got crown moldings. There's a double mirrored closet as you enter, and these lovely stairs that have been upgraded with wrought iron spindles, and there's oak trim for the stairs as well. Not to mention, there's a beautiful renovated powder room for your guests on the main floor with pot lighting, upgraded fixtures and vanity, shows beautifully. Main floor kitchen is designed for family use. It's a family-sized kitchen with stainless steel appliances. It's beautiful detail in the marble backsplash, and there's stone counters. Gas stove, my favorite. Turn it on and it's hot, there's no waiting. And the kitchen itself has an eat-in area that walks out to a backyard. While this is furnished as a dining room for the current owner's needs, this is actually a family room just off of the kitchen. You'll note that there's upgraded hardwood flooring, plenty of natural light overlooking the backyard, and the family room also has a gas fireplace. Very cozy room to enjoy a movie or be with family. Welcome to the living room and dining room. This room demonstrates the care and detail in the renovations in the home. You've got upgraded hardwood flooring, upgraded 4-inch at least baseboards. There's crown moldings in here and plenty of natural light from both in front and behind from the thermal windows that were installed. On the upper level, there's some beautiful windows, 3 large bedrooms, each serviced with large closets. The primary suite has its own bathroom and a walk-in closet. In addition to that, there's a full 4-piece main bathroom, and there's wood floors throughout this level that complement these large bedrooms with beautiful windows and lots of natural light. The lower level of this home is finished and finished correctly. Here's why. It's got a nice open space. Every basement should be this way. It gives you a bit better feeling when you're down here. Some windows as well that provide natural light. A laundry room. The room that's currently a gym has a rough-in for plumbing, and there's a ceiling fan. So you're pretty close to having yourself either a small kitchenette, a wet bar, or a bathroom for when people are down here and enjoying themselves. So you've seen the outside, the inside, and all of the features of this home. I had told you at the onset of this video that it's a city above Toronto and a house above the competition. Now you know why. So what's there left to do? Contact us for a showing. You can call us at 416-557-SOLD. It's 416-557-7653. Email us at info@matteirealty.ca, or why not go on our website, matteirealty.ca. Under featured listings, you'll find a virtual tour where you can make the furniture appear, disappear, and put measurements, this full video, and other useful media for this home. I'm Eric Mattei. Have a fantastic day. Thank you for taking this tour with us.